Solve 32x cube minus 62x plus 15 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 32x cube in place of minus 62x, now I write minus 50x minus 12x plus 15 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 2x. From this 2x out you get 16x square minus from this 2x out you get 25. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 3. So here we get 4x and here we get minus 5 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here, that is 16x square minus 25 equal to 16 is 4 square x square minus 25 is 5 square. So 4 square x square is 4x whole square minus 5 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 4x, in place of b 5. So we get 4x minus 5 times 4x plus 5. In place of this quadratic we write this over here. So this equation becomes 2x times 4x minus 5, 4x plus 5. This no change equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 4x minus 5. So 4x minus 5 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is 2x times 4x plus 5, and here we are left with minus 3 equal to 0. Now 4x minus 5. Now you open up the brackets. You get 8x square plus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 8x square plus 10x minus 3. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 10x. In place of plus 10x, now I write plus 12x minus 2x minus 3. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 4x. From this 4x out you get 2x plus from this 4x out you get 3. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside we get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x plus 3 common. So here we have 4x and here minus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 4x minus 5, 2x plus 3, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. More. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 4x minus 5 equal to 0, 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove minus 5, so add 5. You get 4x equal to 5. Now I should remove 4, so divide by 4. You get x equal to 5 by 4. Now here, I should remove plus 3, so subtract 3. You get 2x equal to minus 3. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to minus 3 by 2. Now here I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 4x equal to 1. Now I should remove 4, so divide by 4. We get x equal to 1 by 4. So the x values that we got are 5 by 4, minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 4. This is our answer.